In the land of the rising sun, where ancient customs and modern innovations intertwine, the tale of the Japanese tea ceremony unfolds. A millennium ago, in the Heian period, Buddhist monks introduced powdered green tea to Japan from China. The tea, known as matcha, was initially confined to the monasteries, used primarily for meditation and religious practices. As the centuries passed, the tea ceremony, or Chanoyu, evolved into a symbol of harmony, tranquility, and the essence of Japanese aesthetics. It was during the Muromachi period that Sen-no Rikyu, a tea master, refined the ceremony to its current form. Sen-no Rikyu's teachings emphasized the importance of simplicity, humility, and respect. The ceremony became an art form, a ritual that required precision and grace. The tea master's role was no longer just a host, but a mediator, creating a spiritual bond between the host and the guest. The tea ceremony took place in a special tea room, chishitsu, designed to inspire a sense of tranquility. The room was adorned with a scroll, a flower arrangement, and a tea utensil set, each piece meticulously chosen for its ability to bring joy and contemplation to the participants. The ceremony itself was a series of precise movements, each one signifying respect for nature, the host, and the guest. The guests would sit on the floor around the tea master, admiring the tea utensils placed before them. The tea master would then perform the ritual of preparing the tea, from grinding the matcha, heating the water, to finally whisking the tea with a bamboo whisk. The tea was served in a small bowl, known as chawan. The guests would sip the tea slowly, savoring its bitterness and sweetness, and contemplating the beauty of the moment. The ceremony ended with the guests leaving the tea room, their minds refreshed and their spirits uplifted. Today, the Japanese tea ceremony remains a cherished tradition, a testament to Japan's rich cultural heritage. It serves as a reminder of the country's love for beauty, harmony, and the simple pleasure of sharing a cup of tea. The ceremony continues to evolve, adapting to the changing times, yet retaining its essence, reminding us that even in the face of change, the pursuit of harmony and tranquility remains timeless.